everybody. Welcome to Candy Cane Ridge. I'm Dawn. We've had some major technical difficulties today, but we're pushing through. So today starts our first block of our Christmas in July Quilt-A-Long. It's going to be 4 blocks, so each Friday, hopefully by next Friday, we'll be able to get all the technology and everything working again. So, that being said, our first block that we're going to do is Santa's belt. I'm going to show you how to actually put it together. So, I have a camera lady back here who's manning my camera today. So this is our block. We've got it all laid out. Everything is already cut. If you want the free download, it'll be in the description. We are just going to start off with our center strips, and so we're going to sew these two to either end, right sides together, using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now our center strip, we've got 5 pieces. I'm just going to start here and we're going to stitch this together and we're just going to keep going. It's been a crazy day up here. Alright, so moving down to this part of his belt buckle. Now I did starch and press my fabric before I started. Now these two, we're going to press towards the red. Just going to finger press those. Now all we have left is we're just going to take our top and stitch and just keep going down. Now if you would rather do the top, do the bottom, or the center first, that's entirely up to you. finger press my seam to the top. Now our only seams in this whole block that actually nest is going to be where the top part of our buckle meets our center. So I'm just going to use my fingers and can you give me some pins over there, please? So where these meet is where I am going to pin those two, because I do want those to nest. We want those seams to kind of intersect right there. And again, we're going to nest these. Particular project, I'm going to show you how to do 4 different blocks. They're each going to be 12 inches wide finished, or 12 inches square finished. So you can take these 4 blocks and you can either put them together and you can make a wall hanging or a table topper. You can put them all in a row and make a table runner. Or else you can have each one of them separate and have a placemat and be all ready for Christmas. You can even take the single block by itself and just repeat it and have a beautiful Christmas quilt. And there we have our Santa belt. you can take it to the ironing board and you can press it front and back. If you would like, just thank you for sticking with me today, y'all. I promise next Friday has got to be better. Thank you. Thank y'all. We'll see y'all next Friday. Bye-bye.